Guys, sobrang sarap na itong chocolate flakes. Tingnan nyo. Ito po, sobrang sarap niya. Maubos na nga, oh. Sobrang sarap. Tapos, meron pa siyang, white chocolate flakes. Pero, ayun ang sobrang sarap. Except for, ito yung masarap talaga yun. Yung white.
Can you charge half? Please.
Inuubos na nga namin, oh.
You have to be up by 10 a.m.
Nauubos na namin. Sobrang sarap. Bili na kayo.
An exception today. It is Mother's Day.
Sobrang sarap, guys.
I don't understand. Are we not allowed to go in?
Don't worry, Martin. Mommy's gonna figure this out for us, okay?
But why can't we go in?
Thank you kay mama ko
Let's
kasi
just go play while we wait.
bilhin niya to. Sobrang thank you ako.
Thanks, Isabella.
Goodbye, guys.